Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to do an unboxing video of my Red Iguana fake practice hands that I got from rediguana.com. I did get the style in Liza. I did decide to go ahead and purchase these clamps. They are separate from the hand, so when you buy your hand, these do not come with it. You do have to purchase them separately. I've just seen other videos where the hand is free floating, and I feel like it's harder to do nail designs when you're trying to hold on to the hand, so I highly recommend getting these. I did get 2 of them because I did buy 2 hands. I'm super excited because I've been wanting these hands for a while, and her packaging is absolutely beautiful. So as soon as I open it up, there's a little thank you note. Thank you for choosing our Red Iguana silicone practice hand. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see your creations. Aww. And more thank you letters with a coupon and instructions. This is super helpful. It's going to tell you how to take care of your hand and the things you can and cannot do with it. So thank you for that. So it looks like she's also included some extras, like a little bracelet, and I think there's a ring in here too. Yeah, a ring. It's just supposed to help your hand look more lifelike. Honestly, I don't feel like you need these because these hands look so realistic as is. And now for the big reveal, the practice hands. Like I had mentioned earlier, I did buy 2, a left hand and a right hand, just because when I'm doing videos and pictures, I want them to look the most lifelike and be able to give me different options for posing them. Okay, so these are amazing. Can we just take a minute to appreciate all the detail that has gone into making this hand? I did get the posable fingers. I wanted to be able to create different poses when I'm doing pictures and videos, and that option will allow me to do so. So I do know on her website there is an option to get the non-posable hands, which are a little bit cheaper if that works better for you. Okay, so check out the cuticle area. It has little cutouts in them. This is so you can just slide a nail tip right in there and start on your design. You don't have to glue anything down. In the instructions, it does say that you can use glue, and there's specific types of glue that you can use if you would like. And look at the inside of the hand, how detailed it is. This hand does come in different shades. I want to say that there's 6 different shades on her website, so there are plenty of options for you to choose from. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I am going to use this clamp. The bottom is super sticky, so you can place it on any surface. And it does have the little clasp to secure the section when you do place it on any surface that you choose. And I really like that I'm able to adjust these, that way I can position it however I want. And then you just open up the clamp part and place the hand right in there. It's not putting a lot of pressure on the hand, so it's not going to ruin it. The hands are obviously very heavy because they're full silicone, so I'm having to readjust it to fit the way I want my camera to see them. Okay, so here is the finished look. I do like these clamps a lot. It does help hold up the hands. I know that this is going to be super easy for me when I do start doing designs on them. It's going to mimic an actual client's hands, which is going to be great. And then I can just put them out of focus, so then when I'm holding the hands, they do look like actual client's hands. Okay, so this is where the slots in the back of the cuticles comes in super handy. You can just slide your pre-sized nail tips right in there and get started on your design. And it makes it easy to swap these out if you're trying to do designs back to back for any kind of videos, pictures, marketing, anything that you're doing. Just really quick and easy, unlike most hands. I know that you have to fully prep the nail with other practice hands before you start, which can be super annoying, and that is why I wanted these hands in particular. I should let you guys know, these nail tips don't come with the hand. I did already have these in my stockpile of things. So really any nail tips that you guys have should work. You just have to size them to make sure that they're gonna fit those slots, but these are just random ones I got from my local nail supply store. So anything honestly should work. I chose not to use glue. I did purchase Loctite sticky tack. It's the same little sticky stuff that you put on the backs of the glow-in-the-dark stars that you place on the ceiling from when you're a child. That's what I'm going to use to secure these nails on. I did not show that in this video, so I apologize. But as you can see, now the nails are made to actually mimic your client's real nail beds. So from here, the next process would be to prep these nails as if it was an actual client's real nail bed. Now I am going to prep the nails with my electric file on the lowest speed, of course. I did speed this portion of the video up because this would take forever, and I will make a separate video on how to prep nails. I just wanted to show you for the video's sake how you would prep a practice hand. And then I'm going in with my pointed diamond bit just to get really close around those cuticles. This is normally something I would do with my nail clients anyways, just to get any of the dead skin off so there is no lifting. And now I'm going in with my Young Nails glue to glue on these extensions before I start my design. Okay, so while I'm gluing these on, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tip that I found worked for me. When I was done prepping the nails and there was nail dust all over her hands, it was a little bit harder to wipe the dust off because she has silicone. You can use soap and water to clean the hands like regular and then just pat dry them. After I got done drying them, I did place a little bit of my clear translucent face powder back on her hands so that way her hands were not as sticky, and that was really helpful for any time I needed to take any nail dust off in the future. The same goes for if you're using any kind of pigment on the nails that might get onto her fingers and stain them. You can just wash it right off. And since the hands are made out of silicone, they are acetone resistant, so you don't have to worry about the silicone dissolving or getting ruined if you do happen to get acetone on them. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and trim the nails down to my desired length. Honestly, you can use scissors or the nail clipping tool, whichever you prefer. I just had the scissors sitting next to me, so that is what I used for this video. Now I'm going to go in with my hand file just to file the sides down and make sure it's flush with the nail plate or what we're mimicking to be the nail plate. and then you are ready for your design. Alright guys, well I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to see future videos.